In web development, there are three main types of work, or we can say there are three main types of developers: front-end developers, back-end developer, or full stack developer. A stack means a set of skills, and the MERN stack in demand right now due to React.js and Node.js because that work on the JavaScript ecosystem, syntax, and the semantics. If you want to become successful full stack developer using MERN stack, then these 5 video tutorial you must watch or you should watch. We have curated for you in more details from my scratch. In each video series, we have covered different concepts, so watch till end, and at the end we will share one more bonus video tutorial that would be also more helpful for you. And the first video tutorial is React.js Todo app tutorial, and it is project-based learning courses for React.js developer. And this course is consists of 8 videos with step-by-step explanation from scratch, and after completing this course, you will feel confident on the path of becoming successful React.js developer. You will also learn how to write good code and follow the standard coding style and the project structure or projects folder. So let's see some key React.js concept we have implemented in this video tutorial, like state, use effect, local storage, etc. And this video is demonstration of how our final app will look like. And the second one is JavaScript countdown project tutorial, and this is consist of 8 video. And this is also the project-based learning video series in JavaScript. In this series, you will learn complete countdown timer project from scratch. And this JavaScript countdown timer project will very helpful for beginners or whoever want to work on JavaScript project for the practice. And also this JavaScript project will also add value to your resume when applying for or web development jobs. Inside this JavaScript project, we will create timer with beautiful animations and display over the gradient background. And the third one is NextJS project tutorial. In this video, you are going to build NextJS project, and this project has multiple parts like component, element, page, headers, footer, top navigations, contact form, landing, routing, and other many conceptual understanding of the NextJS project. This NextJS project tutorial is made up to keep in the mind that as a NextJS beginner, you will easily understand the concept well and can do project setup easily. Our CodersArts NextJS developer created this NextJS project from scratch so that based on this, you can build another project's idea in NextJS. In this video, we have explained the project's idea, which is perfect for beginner, developer, and the company as well, and that including all the essential feature that is professional level website. And the UI of this project could be done better, but we have focused on the first try to cover all the important features available in the NextJS. Okay, and the fourth project is MERN stack Masterclass tutorial for building the blog applications. And this video tutorial is consists of total 16 video, and in this video tutorial series we will create a blog application with MERN stack, and this is a part of project-based learning as well in MERN stack. So we are building a blog application that will give a complete knowledge of or idea of the front-end, back-end, database, and the middleware as well. This is beginner-friendly courses, so you can easily start learning from here. And if you just want to get the test how the MERN stack work, the next project is REST API tutorial using the MERN stack, and this tutorial is consist of 8 video, and in this video tutorial we will explain how RESTful services work. So REST API is a type of web services that enable application to communicate with server without any in-premises server setup. In this video tutorial, we have covered the some important questions or important concept like what are the REST API, how REST work, and the implementation of REST API using Node, Express, and MongoDB. And the last bonus tutorial is MongoDB tutorial, and that is completely NoSQL database. So in this MongoDB video series, you will dive into the MongoDB NoSQL database and look at the fundamentals and the syntax like how to create, read, update, delete document, and also we will work on the fundamental and the syntax of create, read, update, and delete document data, and also install and do the proper setup database or using command line or the GUI. So we are uploading video on different database based on the demand and developer interest. So type of video you will get here like course tutorial, code walkthrough, projects idea, work sample, and other practical examples. So stay tuned with us for any new update.